Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix squad game not launching or not opening, unable to launch error on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching the game on Steam, go below and you will find the system requirements to play the game. So make sure your PC have all the suggested specs and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Now under launch option, here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to play the game and see if it helps. If this also doesn't resolve, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next solution. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, again go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this may take some time. Now after the game files are verified, try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to run game as administrator. So for that, select the game on Steam, under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, now click on compatibility and then select run this program as an administrator, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working. If not, again come back, select disable full screen, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, click on apply and OK and then launch the game. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If the issue still occurs, again come back, uncheck all of these, click on apply and OK and go to the next method. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link that I have already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search over here, search for Windows security. Now click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game. If you cannot find the game, don't worry, you have to click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked, click on OK and then launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to clear download cache. For that, go to Steam. Now click on Steam option, click on settings, now click on downloads. After that, go below. From here you have to click on clear cache beside clear download cache. You will see this pop-up which states this will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam again. So simply click on confirm and after that again log into Steam and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the Windows search, now search for task manager. Under process tab, here you have to search for those apps which are of no use but still running in the background. You have to simply select them. Now after selecting them, right click on it and click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background and after that try to launch the game and check if it's opening or not. If not, next method is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once the file is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. Whatever you get, click on it, repair option and you have to wait for some time. After this, close it and restart your PC once. After restarting, again launch the game and check. If not, next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option, search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and then try to play the game. Next method is to disable antivirus software. So if you are having any antivirus software installed on your system, you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game. This can help you to resolve the problem, that is crashing or other problem. while playing the game. So it's suggested to disable the antivirus software before you launch the game and check if it's working and it helps you. If not, next is to install DirectX on your system. For that, I have given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, click on the download option. This will download DirectX on your system. Now open it and install it. After installing it, restart your PC once and then try to launch the game and see if this is working now. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option over here. Now click on settings. Now click on in-game, and here you have to disable this option, enable the Steam overlay while in-game option if it is enabled. Now after disabling it, launch the game and check. GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay option from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay option from here. Next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings, and here you have to add your game to the list first, and after that you have to proceed ahead. But if the game is not listed, click on add a desktop app, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, click on the arrow icon. You have to select high performance under GPU preference and then try to launch the game and check if it is working. If the issue still occurs after following the above methods, then the final solution is to reinstall Squad Game. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once and then launch Steam and reinstall Squad Game once again and click on the play button to check whether it's working or not.